Malarial parasite detection by rapid card method. Malarial parasite can be detected in the human blood by a card test. This qualitative test is a visual, rapid, and a sensitive immunoassay for diagnosis of various species of malarial parasite such as Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, and Plasmodium ovale. Principle: malarial antigen Plasmodium falciparum PAN test is a rapid, qualitative, and differential test for the detection of histidine-rich protein 2 antigen of Plasmodium falciparum and common Plasmodium lactate dehydrogenase of Plasmodium species in human whole blood. It detects histidine-rich protein 2 antigen specific. It distinguishes the infection between Plasmodium falciparum and other malarial species. It is suitable in the prevalence region of Plasmodium falciparum and other Plasmodium species. Malarial card is an immunoassay based on the sandwich principle. The test uses monoclonal anti-Plasmodium falciparum antibody and monoclonal anti-pan-specific Plasmodium LDH antibodies immobilized on a nitrocellulose strip. The test sample is added, and on addition of assay buffer, the red blood cells get lysed. This complex migrates through the nitrocellulose strip by capillary action. Considering that the test sample contains malarial antigens, the complex, on reaching the line of the corresponding immobilized antibody, gets trapped, forming a pink-purple band which confirms a reactive test result. Absence of a colored band in the test region indicates a negative test result. Primary sample. Collect whole blood in a clean container containing dipotassium EDTA by venipuncture for the test. Mix the specimen thoroughly but gently by 3 to 5 gentle inversions. Process the sample for not more than 3 days of collection. Do not use samples which are clotted, contain fibrin microclots, decomposed or contaminated sample. Reject clotted samples and samples without identification. Patient preparation. No special preparation is required. Consumables and reagents. Malaria card, assay buffer, pipette, and disposable tips. Step-by-step procedure. Bring the complete kit and specimen to be tested to room temperature prior to testing. Add 20 microliters of blood into the sample well. Discard the pipette tip. Dispense 4 drops of assay diluent into the sample well. Start the stopwatch, setting the time for 15 minutes. Interpretation of results. Reactive. Appearance of 3 pink-colored lines, one each at P or PAN region, F or Plasmodium falciparum region, and C or control region, indicates that the sample is reactive for Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, and Plasmodium ovale. Appearance of 2 pink-colored lines, one each at PAN region and control region, indicates that the sample is reactive for Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium vivax, or Plasmodium ovale. Non-reactive. Appearance of only one pink-colored line at the control region indicates that the sample is non-reactive for Plasmodium falciparum and other Plasmodium species. Safety precautions. Handle all reagents with care and avoid contact with eye, mouth, and skin. Handle all samples as they are potentially infectious. Discard used reagents and samples as per biomedical waste disposal procedures.